How to install the Universal Training Wheels Kit by U-Cycle. The kit includes all necessary parts, but you will need an extra adjustable wrench. Start by attaching the wheels to the support bars. Push the bolt through the training wheel, keeping the top of the bolt facing the outside. Place the included wrench over the bolt's face, and slide the washer onto the other side of the bolt. Thread the bolt through the support bar and use the extra wrench to turn the nut until secure. Once both wheels are installed, it's time to attach the support bars to the frame of the bike. Remove the wheel nuts and add the stop block to the frame. The mounting brackets can accommodate multiple tire sizes ranging from 12 to 20 inches. Adjust the height of the support bar so the training wheels sit 1/4 to 1/2 inch above the ground. Use the wrench to tighten the nut to the frame of the bike. If installed properly, the training wheels will sit just above the ground, allowing the bike to slightly rock side to side. We hope you enjoy your ride, and thank you for choosing U-Cycle.